The point-of-sale tool is a simple interface to document and track sales of items you may have in a park store, or things you may sell from your office. A handheld barcode scanner can be used with the RV Park software point-of-sale tool. These scanners can be purchased online for usually under $35. The scanner can be used on an item's Universal Product Code or UPC code. When you enter your store inventory, the UPC code should be entered also to identify the item when making your sale. If you have a scanner, it can be used to enter the code. This is a lot more accurate than entering it manually. You can also create your own unique UPC codes for items you market, and using a barcode font also available online, you can print the UPC codes for those items for scanning. This is covered in more detail in the RV Park software help files. One can easily create an inventory with stock quantities and reorder points, and then sell those items with this feature. The tool can sell to a guest in the RV park, and then put the charges against the guest's account, or simply receive the payment. Leaving the guest as 9,999 non-guest, it will be as a walk-in customer. The tool can handle up to 15 items in a sale. You can use the scanner to sell items or select from the drop-down list. First, select the guest making the purchase or use the 9,999 non-guest option for walk-in customers. If you have a scanner and have defined your inventory with their UPC codes, simply scan the UPC code and your item will be entered. If the customer bought two of the same item, just scan it twice, and the quantity will update. You can also just select the item from the list of available items. This is a little cumbersome if you have hundreds of items. If you need to sell more than one of the items selected, just select the quantity and enter that correct one. If you select an item that is incorrect or needs to be removed, just double-click on the description and it will be returned to your inventory. Once you have entered all of the items correctly, make sure the amount paid field reflects what the customer is going to pay and press the record button to finalize the transaction. If you want to provide credit to a guest, the amount paid can be less than the total and the outstanding bill will be carried on the guest's bill. The equal button simply makes the amount due equal to the total. The Clear All button clears all of the items back into inventory. When you press the record button, you will be notified the record was added to the database. The RV Park will ask if you want a receipt printed to your default printer. That concludes the point of sale video.